Hello everyone, welcome to today's weekly commentary. We'll be discussing or I'll be giving my view on DXY, good, GU, EU, and most of USD pairs, what I expect on most of them, and areas to monitor for the week on most of USD pairs. All right, so we have here DXY, market bought from this particular area, though this was the area I was expecting market to buy from initially before we expected buy, but market did not get to that particular point. We have a bullish expansion now to the upside on this time frame. We have untested resistance level which market can come to before we see price going lower. And we have market filling this imbalance right here. This market has filled the imbalance. The next area is to have this other block right here where market is currently. Apart from this other block, I expect if this other block can price down likely on Tuesday, make maybe the high of the week, or on Wednesday, make high of the week before we go down. Right before we go down. So for the week, I expect market to give us what? A short-term bullish expansion into this other block, at least maybe up to 50% of this other block before we see lower prices on this pair. So this is my expectation for the week. So the first thing here is a buy expansion into this candle. So we can 50% of this candle as our next area of interest. So that means our expectation on this pair is market to give us a short-term bullish and a short-term bearish for the week. Put into this area before a bearish movement. So this is area I will monitor for the week. So this area, this blue area from this line to this upper resistance level. Why this is the major high? Because of this unmitigation that happened between this low and this high. That is that on DXY. On gold, the same thing. So coming down to this lower time frame, we have a short-term break of structure right here. A short-term break of structure. Now, based on what is happening in Middle East, so people will likely buy more gold. All right, that means we'll have more investors on. So this can give us a short-term expansion. Good. So either create what a buy from here. The reason why I have two views because of fundamental on good. And USD, they are planning on what? It's an interest rate, but not that much, maybe 50 BP. So this is the first view. Supported low, structural mitigation, and came back to this area, and then market is pushing up now. It has broken this short-term high right here, but it's also giving a reason that it can also sell. So because of that, we are at what? Structural range. Since we are at a structural range, which is this range, we can call this what? A consolidation. Though, since this is a new week, I will like to see a manipulation against this range before a buy move, or if not, we can continue dropping to the downside. This is my second view, right? The market will drop to the downside into this range. So this is my second view on gold. Now on GU, we'll have a clearer structure of what market will likely do on the time frame. Now when you look at it on monthly, we'll have a break of structure to the upside right here. Since we have this break of structure to the upside, we are seeing market giving us what? A sharp movement to the upside, which is kind of like smart money pushing price up. Then they are also pushing price down. Since they are pushing price down, there's what a possibility market can raid this low. There's a possibility that market can raid this low, but this is a weekly time frame. So the next area we expect of price, this void in a week, 50% of this void in a week, for market to trade into it first before we expect probably, okay, when you come to this time frame, it makes more sense. You have this support level. and you have QML, short-term QML. Though most times I do pick this one, but there's another one right here. So I can pick these two areas right here as your next POI. Sometimes you pick the body of the QML, which is mostly better. So market has already traded into it right here. So for the week, we can now expect probably what a short-term bullish function into this imbalance before we see some bearish movement for the week. So that means what we're expecting for the week is bullish and bearish expansion. So we have here imbalance. So this imbalance is the first area you should expect to trade into. You should expect market to trade into this imbalance before you see what down movement. So that is the first thing you should expect of price. So that is what we expect of price on this due. Let's look at EU. The same thing. We'll have a break of structure right here to the downside, which you can also call liquidity. On higher time frame, on weekly time frame, I'm also expecting what market to run a little bit lower into this range. Now there are two areas I expect of price to run into since we have gotten now what major high right here. Market is yet to read this particular high. So this market is yet to read this particular high. High is still what something for price, but market has shown a little interest to read it, but it's rejecting that particular level. So that's what we have. We have one major POI for the week, for this particular week where we are. We'll have this POI because I don't think market is, except there's any major news like FMC news, and I believe we'll have FMC news for this week. So if market decide to come out positive for USD, it can push price below this level. If the news is not that powerful, you can see price running lower and retracing back. So this is one major POI we expect market to trade into. And for market to create such candle, a huge, let's say a huge sell candle like this, that would be wonderful. So, but there sometimes it won't be able to create such candle. All right. So since we have this sharp candle right here, the next candle we expect is not that very strong candle. So not that very strong candle, but it will likely be what a bearish candle. So that is my expectation on this. Coming down to the time frame, we have market breaking the structure. So the next area we expect of price is this, and that is resistance or this resistance level. All right. So this imbalance is yet to form completely, and I don't see any good reason market will just run up to this level. All right. So I expect market to give us what a short-term bullish expansion before getting into this level. Okay. So this is what I expect for the week, and we'll have this resistance level right here. So this is the imbalance. Market has already traded into this imbalance, so there's no need of me marking it again. It has already traded it or about trading into it. Let me just align the imbalance. Okay, market is here to trade into the imbalance. This market is here to trade into the imbalance. I expect market to run into it before we see upper movement. This is weekly POI. Why this is our current daily POI. Plus this imbalance. So this area is our area of interest. Inside your area of interest, you have point of what interest, which is this POI. So from here to here is area of interest. From here to here is your major point of what interest. That is that on this pair. Other pairs like USD JPY, and since JPY is weak, USD is a little bit strong for the week. So we expect market what, if possible, for market to run this high. Right? So this market has already run this low, and market has also cleared this low. So until JPY will be ready to be what hiking interest rate, that is when we would continue our bearish expansion. But for now, we are bullish, and I expect market to what? Run to this resistance level and break this high on this pair. So I'll be updating it within the week on lower time frame. So the same thing with this pair. I expect market to run. It has run the first liquidity. Our next liquidity is this major low. So is that on overall time frame. But before that, since this market is not going to run it that very fast, so I expect market to trade into this level and give us some retracement for the week. So we'll have this imbalance right here, and also this one that is forming currently. So guys, those are the areas you can monitor. But if I'm to pick a POI here, the POI is this POI right here. So I can pick this POI right here as my area of interest where market can trade into before I start looking forward bearish expansion. So right here, the same thing on this pair, expect market to run lower. Possible market can read this low since we have broken a major high right here. Since that, I expect market to run this low. But before market do that, my next area of interest or my major point of interest is right here. This area has what imbalance above it, and this little pullback right here, this lower high or this lower low slash lower high right here, what created this short-term pullback. So it's what mitigated POI that was initially base candle. So currently market coming back to it can what put price for higher levels, even to make a higher high. But I mark it up now for what majorly a pullback POI. And UD strong compared to USD. So the first point is this. After the short-term pullback for the week, we can run into this level and see price making a higher high from here. So that is my view on this pair for the day. This pair is also bullish. I updated it for within the week that will likely run above this high based on fundamental. So the next area we can monitor is this area, void in a week. So we can see price coming to this area. If we have a reason to sell, we look for lower low. But this is our current structure range. Since market has already reduced this liquidity and started selling from imbalance. And when you look at it closely here, there's a little imbalance right here on the opposite side. So this can be what a good reason for price to sell. Okay, on USD CHF, we see price buying from this particular POI, this clear order block right here. And apart from buying from that clear order block, we see how market sweep this liquidity right here, broke structure to the upside, and start giving us what a reason to buy. So since we are bullish right here on DXY, this low right here made a lower low, but here it made a lower high. So this is a clear divergence on price, which can help you to anticipate this buy expansion. So if we are bullish here and F is a little bit weak because they are cutting interest rate, so this can make price to run even higher within the week, possibly either this first resistance level or this second resistance level. So that is that on this pair. On BTC, within the week, I give my view what I expect on BTC, that where price is. Okay. Okay, you see price making a higher high right here. So, and this is a clear imbalance level. Since we have this imbalance level, based on fundamental, was the investing in BTC. Based on technical analysis, we have unsupported low right here plus liquidity right here. This low has tons of what liquidity. Since it has tons of liquidity, market has come for it now. Since market has come for it, we can now expect what? A buy expansion from here. which market gave already. But in my own form of view, either we make a higher low right here, then a higher high, or we sell from here to the downside. So this is my view on BTC. So I have two views on BTC compared to other pairs like DXY, where we have a clearer view. That is all for the week, and that is all for today. Good luck, good trading.